Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Get rid of this bone deformity in just 10 days at home. A deformity of the joint at the base of the thumb is known as valgus. This is a common issue for many people, and women are more prone to this condition. Rarely, this condition may develop into arthritis. This deformity causes severe pain and can have a negative impact on a person's life. What's also terrible about this deformity is that it is hard to find suitable shoes. Natural remedies for valgus. Bay leaf tea. Ingredients: 300 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of ground bay leaves. Instructions: first, boil the bay leaves in the water for around 5 minutes. Then, transfer the liquid in a thermos and let it stand still overnight. You should consume the tea in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure you drink it in sips, not at once. Repeat the treatment 3 days in a row and always consume the tea fresh. Repeat the whole procedure after 1 week break. You will notice the first results in 10 days. Bay leaf coating. Ingredients: 5 big bay leaves, crushed, 100 ml of 96% alcohol. Instructions: put the crushed leaves in alcohol and leave it for 1 week. Then, place 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the bowl with 3 liters of water. Soak the feet soak well and wipe them with a towel. Next, apply a coating of the bay leaves and alcohol mixture. Put on cotton socks and go to bed.